Hello YouTubers, the new time travel Jaime 88. I'm back. Well, in about 1 minute is time for the fireworks to begin. If you let me look it up, and so you can see. Sit back and relax, you guys, and enjoy this video. And so far, it's about to start here. If I can't see very well, let me zoom it up real quick. Coming over here a little bit so I can see. Ah, there he is. You can see the firecrackers in here. Fireworks. Whoa, look at that. I see another one. It's right here. Fascinating. Here's another one right here. Awesome. Yep. And here's look at that. Let me zoom it up real quick so you can see it. Can you see it? Yep. Sure can. Wow. Here's another one. Awesome. Fantastic. So you can see very well. Up. Wow. Isn't that fantastic? Whoa, there's another. Wow. Look at that, folks. See, there's all the colorful fireworks. Fantastic. You face that way. Here it comes. Let's take a look at another one right here. There he is, right here. Awesome, is that? Awesome. Stay with me, guys, so you can see. There's more. Huh. There it is. See that? Fireworks. Wow. So you can see, folks, there's lots and lots of cheering and celebration going on downtown in the Inner Harbor and here at Cherry Hill. Wow. Fascinating. Wow. I'm going to zoom back down so you can see better. Zoom up real quick. Here's another one. So you can bear with me. Wow. See that? Wow, look at that. So quick. See that, folks? Very nice. Woo! All right. Zoom it back down there so you can see the fireworks. See it. Oh, whoa, look at that. You see it, folks? All right. Fascinating. Awesome. Huh. There's more. Alright. So as you can see, very fascinating. Celebration. Look at that. Let's move that over here. Yeah. Wow, look at it. Can you see that? There's hundreds of people downtown. It has music, fun, activities, food and drinks. I gotta tell you, I've been down to the fireworks since I was around 7 years old. Yeah, time flies. You can see it. Let's look over on that side. Stay with me so we can see focus. Wow, I love that. Very professional work too. See it? It's fun to see fireworks every summer. You can see it very well. Look at that! Wow. Fascinating. Wow. See that sparkling, folks? You can see it very well. Let's take a look over here. Whoa! Ay, ay, ay. Cannot be seen. I cannot see in my eyes. Geez. I wonder the 7 Supergirls ever celebrated 4th of July. Yeah. Quite fantastic. And to Jedi Master Horton, have you watched the fireworks tonight, my friend? Let me know. Oh, wow. Let me show you this last shot over here. Wow. Yes. Let me zoom back over here so you can see that. Like, oops. It's not done yet. Let me see. Is there any more? There's plenty of more to choose from. Wow. Ain't that fantastic? Yeah. Look at that, folks. The fireworks should be over in another hour. Okay. Whoa, you see. All right. See? Well. Yeah. Wow. Awesome. Fantastic. All right. See that? Boy, what a celebration. I know my brother excited too. Oh, fascinating. Alright. I'm gonna split that into two. Whoa, whoa! Fantastic. Really cool. You see that? awesome. How cool is that? Very powerful and fascinating too. Let me just look over there, see some more fireworks. Whoa! Can you see that? All right. Be right back.